Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today I'm here again with a new recipe. Today we are going to make crispy onion rings. So let's start the recipe. First in a bowl we are going to take half a cup of corn flour. To this we will add salt to taste, a pinch of black pepper, you can also use white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. To this we will also add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce or chutney, or you can also add red chili sauce. Mix this well together and add water to make it into a slurry. There should be no lumps in the slurry. Our slurry is now ready. It should be of a flowing consistency. Keep this aside and now let's move to the next step. We will now take 2 medium-sized onions and cut it into rings. We need to separate each ring separately. We also require maida or all-purpose flour, the prepared corn flour slurry, and panko breadcrumbs. First we are going to take a ring and dip it into our all-purpose flour. Coat it well and next dip it into the prepared corn flour slurry. Coat the onion ring well on both sides in the slurry. Now drain out the excess slurry and coat this in panko crumbs. Coat this well and make sure that all sides are covered in crumbs. In the same way now we will prepare all of our onion rings and keep them aside. In a pan, heat oil on medium flame. And now we will fry our onion rings. Fry them in medium to hot oil until crispy and golden brown. Our onion rings are now ready and drain them out of the oil and keep it on a tissue. These are now ready to serve. Serve them hot along with ketchup or a mayo sauce. Our crispy golden onion rings is now ready to serve. Enjoy them as an evening snack. If you like my recipe, do like, share and comment on the post and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes coming your way.